guys. Hey. You recording?
Yeah.
What the fuck you? Don't put that in there. You know how to edit that out? Oh, you put that shit in there.
You like my glasses?
You Aggie, bro.
Back up.
I need to take mama car.
I was like, to watch? That was, I didn't make, okay. Give it to you, baby. Don't get it twisted. You were just another nigga on the hit list. Tryna fix your only issues with a bad. Didn't I tell you that I was a savage? Retire.
She was hurting, bro.
She cries every time she sings this.
Little bit was hurting. What you mean, like real nigga tears?
I'm gonna wait before the deal. Hey. I got the. Oh, what's the word?
I got your hoe on the leash.
We gotta get to the streets.
We gotta keep to the streets. We gotta keep to the
Good boy. Okay.
From the north, got my eye on the street like a hawk. We gotta keep to the streets. We gotta get to the streets. We gotta get to the streets.
Call me back when y'all got a better connection with Wi-Fi or something.
Yeah. He's staying his ass. Oh, God. Is that thing going?
Yeah.
Alright, let me tell y'all a little young and something. Don't get married. And don't have kids. Live your life. Go to school. Be a professional student. Stay in school as much as you can. Don't have no babies. And don't get married. Live your life. Go through the phases of life. Don't skip no phases.
Get it, Mom?
Oh,
No.
God.
Go through the phase. Okay.
Phases
of life. Shout out to T Simmons in the dirty streets.
But yeah. Because then you got to deal with stupid boys who's over 30 and act like little boys. They ain't quite get a man yet because they're little boys.
Preach, prophetess galore. Speak on it.
Speak on it. Dime speak. Shout out to Tamar. Here you come, Daddy. I know he getting in the panties.
That was the most iconic thing that's ever came from her, in my opinion.
That's my opinion.
What? No. If he come, Daddy, I know he getting in the panties. So, Daddy. And they heard that? What?
I heard, which one she do?
Epidural.
Yeah, give me that epidural. Give me that epidural. It hurt.
Ooh, it hurt. She was funny all the way up to having a baby.
Yeah, I mean, that pain ain't no joke, man. Them kids, bro. Same pain you feel is the pain you gonna feel throughout the whole time.
Oh my
You
gosh.
give birth, you feel that pain. When they 2, you feel that pain. When they 3, you feel that pain. These kids ain't no joke. They take life. I used to have really nice boobies. Now they look.
I will donate. I will gladly.
Please donate, because
Donate
it'll
about
be sad.
3 cc's of booby flesh.
So, moral of the story is,
Where are we going, bro?
don't have no babies. Don't somebody, you look 3-year-old.
You did it louder. I love titties. Shout out to EJ in the backseat.
Shush me again. You ain't gonna have no lips to shh. What?
I hate this song so much.
What is this?
I don't know.
Because he sounds stank. It sounds he needs. Hold on, where did I pass it?
I don't think so.
Did
Where
I?
are we?
Oh no, it's up here. It's
What
up
are we
here.
doing today, Karina?
I'm gonna go wash my car and then get my baby something to eat.
Some
I don't
chicken
know what I
nuggets.
want.
Chicken
I don't know what I
nuggets.
want to eat. Ooh, it's that hot wax. That hot wax.
Is it really hot?
My choppers are still.
Cleaned the car. Car was washed. Now we're off.
Cupcakes.
Off to lunch.
I want something very fattening.
What does smart water do?
You know, this dude said to me, and I really almost cussed him out. He was like, bitches love drinking smart water, be dumb as hell.
What'd you say?
I said, you can't be talking referring to me because I ain't dumb nor am I a bitch.
What does that mean on the
Bitch.
tag? I think he is a police officer.
Bitch. Oh, sorry. Don't say that. He's in the car. He
I'm
let on him
gone.
be like, beep, beep, beep. And I can't even whoop him because I said,
It's you, it's you, it's all for you. I want chicken, mommy.
okay.
Where are we? This is not chicken king. I want chicken, mommy.
You are going to eat chicken.
I want my chicken. That's my chicken.
You could give me one moment, please.
Take your time, one okay.
Thank you. So we definitely going to do the 2 for 10. And I'll get EJ chicken fries. You want macaroni and cheese? Just chicken. Okay.
He said, you know this. That's what I ordered.
Stop,
Elijah.
EJ.
Put on speaker.
What do you want from Burger King? Okay, so I'm gonna do the 2 for $10.
What's the drink?
I want
Where are the drinks?
a Dr. Pepper,
Yep. that's
light
all-
ice.
that's
Two
two
Dr.
ice.
Peppers with light ice. With on one of those burgers, can I have extra tomatoes and extra pickles, please? And can you make sure you mark it on there as well so I know which one? Chicken
Do they
fries.
have Whoppers?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
You want a junior or a regular Whopper?
Regular.
And you don't want no onions, no tomatoes?
No tomatoes.
And what drink do you want? Okay, hold it.
Sprite. No, Pepsi.
They got Coca-Cola products.
Coca-Cola.
Okay, I would like a number 1 with no tomatoes, with a Coca-Cola light ice.
Number 1 with the no tomato?
Yes,
And it puts light ice?
yes. And also like a chicken fry. Just a 9-piece. Yep. And that's it.
Any different sauce for your chicken fries?
Yes. Can I have ranch and barbecue, please?
Is that all?
Yep. Oh, we still on here.
After winter.
You are beautiful, no matter if your forehead's big. 'Cause I got a big forehead too.
Thank you, Mom. Thanks, Mom.
But I don't know, it's kind of disappointing because you're supporting a man that does not represent America. It represents everything America should not be. And he's like, make America great again. But when will we ever great? This country was built off stealing, killing, destroying people and families. So when will we ever great? How about let's make America great before we claim that it was ever great again?
Evangelist Thorpe.
I'm just saying, it's pretty scary because I gotta raise my black son in this white world. And it's like, it was amazing to me the other day because he heard sirens. Yeah. And first thing he said, oh, Mom, I didn't get my gun. And he got scared. Yeah. He got scared of the sirens thinking they was gonna come get him. How do you explain to a 3-year-old, cops are supposed to protect you, but sometimes they kill you when you look threat, when they seem threatened. So how do you explain it to a 3-year-old? You can't. Even though Hillary Clinton was a part of the problem, the reason why in 1994 they signed over that bill that put a lot of intensified and put a lot of black men in jail behind bars over nothing, over a dime bag of weed or a little drugs that shouldn't have gave them over 20 or 30 years, even though she was behind it. She apologized. Her and her husband apologized for it. And even though you can't take back all those years, at least she recognizes her mistakes. She's not. I don't want to vote for her, but I don't want Trump to win. I don't want the ignorance to win. That's the only reason why I'm voting this time around. I can't see that. I'd rather for Clinton than Trump. Who you gonna vote for? Satan or Lucifer?
Yeah.
It's like almost like, are we finished or are we done? I wish it was like a
We're
law.
voting for a lesser evil. And
it's almost like, I wish it was a law that said that we can, Obama can go month to month until we get some real people that, should be president. Because this is a joke. They even got Jay-Z and Beyonce, vote for Hillary behind her. Why do they do that? Why do they have celebrities always sponsoring them? I guess to influence those who are weak-minded. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's crazy. Like, whether Beyonce voting for them or not, I'm going to make up my mind who I'm going to vote for me, not for them. But I guess they try to, trick black people into thinking, oh, we know how to get you. We're going to get Beyonce to say they're voting for Hillary so they can vote. No, we're not voting because they say they voting for Hillary. We voting because we don't want Trump dumbass being the president. Do you upload this on your computer or you do it off on your phone?
you can call me Queen Bee. Hey, baby, I'll rule. Let me live that fantasy. My friends and I, we've cracked the code. We count our dollars on the train to the party, and everyone who knows us.
Bro, I was over here getting it, bruh.
Fine with things. We don't care for money. Gold teeth, Grey Goose
You fall.
No.
When you fall, that's blood stains. Cause I got a lot of battle scars on my legs being toasted and falling. Like, and I'm already comfy. Like, what? What is that? It was a freaking cat.
I'm gonna go get some fried fish.
Right.
Oh.
Put someone slow down and see what the hell going on.
Oh. Somebody got hurt.
That harmonization, bruh. That harmonization, bruh.
Beyonce.
Openly mocks
Oh, I think
the
you said
African
Beyonce.
American community.
Beyonce.
Oh shoot. Okay. Is this her home? Well, guys, on this note, we entered with this song and now we're exiting with this song. Say goodbye, Karina.
We don't have mouth. What they talking about? We don't count them where now. No, we ain't serving.
We gotta do one time.
We ain't never out. We ain't never out, man. Hit up Quavo, we gon' need another bendo. I'ma flood it with more key than a piano. Yeah, all these say they love me, I'm so handsome. Yeah, they know about Lucy, going handsome. They gon' tell you, yeah. I got money way before it.